Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the ms-gamingoverlay link error on Windows 11 and remove the gaming overlay pop-up. If this pop-up keeps appearing again and again while opening games or pressing certain keys, then don't worry. This issue usually happens due to Xbox game bar settings or incorrect registry configurations. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, right-click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. This will open the main system settings where we can control gaming features. After this, the window will open. Now click on Gaming. After that, click on Xbox Game Bar. This feature allows you to record gameplay and access gaming tools, but sometimes it causes this pop-up issue. Now you will see an option that says, Allow your controller to open Xbox Game Bar. Disable this option. Disabling this prevents the system from triggering the overlay automatically. Now close the settings window. Now move to step number 2. After that, click on the search bar and then type Run and press Enter. This will open the Run dialog box for quick access to system tools. After that, a box will open. In this, type regedit and press Enter. This will open the registry editor, which allows us to modify advanced system settings. Now click on HKey Current User. After that, click on Software. Now find Microsoft and click on it. Then find Windows and click on it. Now click on Current Version. After that, find Game DVR and then click on it. This section controls background recording and gaming overlay settings. Now on the right side, click on an empty space. Then click on New. After this, click on DWORD 32-bit value. Now rename it to App Capture Enabled. This value controls whether game capture features are enabled or not. After this, double-click on it. Now set the value data to 0. Setting it to 0 disables the background capture and overlay functionality completely. Now click on OK. After this, close the registry editor. Now click on the Windows icon, click on the power option, and then click on Restart. Restarting your system is important so that all the changes are applied properly. After your system starts again, the ms-gamingoverlay pop-up should be completely removed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.